So let's start to look how we can solve this specific error that you might notice now quite often: DevTools fail to load source map. So let's look how we can solve the error DevTools fail to load. So you can see this error here. So this error basically came when Chart.js upgraded to Chart.js 4. Is it a problem? Not really. So if you get my source code, and I have these codes, I always get it here from the default. And what happens is basically this code here is creating the error because they changed this. So what we need to do is we're going to change that back, or at least correct it. So we have this here, and this is always getting the latest version. And if I would do here just add 3.8.0 or any version, we don't get this error. But if we get the latest one, which is Chart.js 4.2, we get this error. So what we need to do is we go here to JS deliver, and we just get the latest version. And you can see here, this is the latest version, is with chart.umd.min.js. So I'm going to grab this, let's say copy this URL, and just put it in here. Then if I save this, refresh, now it loads, and you can see here we have no error. Another option would be, if you would have the code that I have here, is to remove the loading of the map. So you can go in here into the settings. So I click here on this icon of settings. We're going to move that a bit, scroll down, and you can see enable JavaScript source map. Now I'm going to close that, refresh, and it doesn't load as well. So if you want the latest version, just the official from Chart.js, including the source map, just go to this version here, just like this one here. Just get this here. And then you will have no problem at all. So you put that in there, save that. It will not give you any error. And also you can remove the loading of it. But to be official, you can see here, it will work nicely, and that's it.